Now, let us see some other ways in which we can take care of our environment. Look into this picture here. We see a variety of products. All these products are made from the same material, and this material is called plastic. Plastic is a lightweight, cheap, easily available, durable or long-lasting, and a waterproof material. Many of the products like bottles, toys, cups, carry bags, buckets, kitchen utensils, straws, pens, and many more products are made from plastic. Can you think of a life without plastic? No, it is very difficult. But at the same time, do you know the harmful effects of plastic? Let us see that now. Plastic is a non-biodegradable material, which means that it does not decompose easily. Or in other words, when plastics are left on Earth, it takes hundreds and hundreds of years for plastic to break into smaller pieces. This can cause harm to our environment. As you see here in this picture, plastics that are scattered here and there, this can make our surroundings look ugly and unhygienic. Also, plastics can block the drainages like how you see here, and this can result in the spread of dirty water. Have you seen burning of plastic? Burning of plastic produces harmful gases. These harmful gases are harmful for plants, animals, and various other living organisms. Plastics that is left in the soil can also reduce the fertility of soil, which means that such soil is no longer suitable for plants to grow. Nowadays, it is a very common sight to see animals eating plastic, isn't it? Yes, animals eat plastic, and there are chances that this plastic might get stuck in their throat, or they might die by eating these plastics and plastics getting choked in their throat. So let us see what are the different ways in which we can reduce plastic pollution. Whenever you go to a shop to buy things, always remember to carry a cloth bag or a jute bag along with you. This will help you to avoid use of plastic. If you come across any person who uses plastic and disposes it in an improper manner, you can create awareness in that person by informing him or her about the harmful effects of using plastic. It is always better to carry your own water bottles wherever you go. Remember that you need to carry reusable water bottles like how you see here in this picture. When you go to a shop to buy a can of water, you get water in disposable plastic containers. This means such plastic bottles are only for one-time use. You cannot use it again and again. So when you carry your own water bottle, this will help you to reduce the use of plastic. Have you noted this kind of sign anywhere before? This sign shows that products that have this sign on them are recyclable, which means such plastic products, even after it is a waste, it can be converted into a reusable material. So always go for those products, especially plastic products, which has this recyclable sign on it. This will help you to use plastic that are reusable. Whenever you buy a product, do not accept a product if it has excess packaging on it. Especially when you buy food products, you might get straws and other disposable plastics like spoons, knives or forks along with that. So do not accept such disposable plastics along with the products that you buy. It is always better to choose an alternative for plastic. Alternatives like paper, jute or cloth can be used instead of using plastics.